Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched us against the caravan of the Quraysh, appointing Hazrat Abu Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu as our Amir commander and granting us a sack of dates as provisions, finding nothing else to grant us. Hazrat Abu Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu would dole out one date to each of us on daily basis. The reporter says that he asked, "How would you live on only one date?" Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, "We would suck that date like a baby and then drink water after it, and that date would suffice us till night. We would strike the leaves of the trees with our staffs, soaked them in water, and then ate them. One day we went on the seashore. There was lying a thing like a colossal mound. We made towards it and saw that it was an animal called Ambar." Hazrat Abu Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu said, "It is a carrion." He then said, "No, we are the representatives of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and you are in constrained circumstances, so eat it." We numbered 300 and stayed there a month and got bulky after eating it. I remember we took out water skins after water skins full of fat from its eye socket and chopped the slice of flesh equal to an ox in length from it. Hazrat Abu Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu selected 13 men amongst us and made them sit in its eye socket. He then erected one of its rib, put a litter on the biggest of our camels, got it to pass under the rib. We prepared provisions after boiling its flesh. After reaching Medina Munawwara, we entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and narrated this episode to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "It is provisions which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has granted you. Do you have any of its meat? If you have, serve it to me." Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, "We then submitted some of its meat to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam consumed it." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4974.